Hey guys, welcome to my channel, J-Rock Yoga. My name is Jess, and by the end of this video today, you're going to know how to practice Parsvakonasana, or side angle posture. Let's get started. Okay, we'll come to stand at the top of our mats in our Tadasana posture, rooting down through all four corners of the feet. And then we'll just ground through the right foot and step your left foot back about 3 feet in Warrior Two stance. So if you don't know Warrior Two stance, I will explain it here, but there's a video that goes over Warrior Two. I'll link it below. Feel free to follow up on that. You're gonna have the back foot parallel to the back edge of the mat, and the front foot, the right heel, is in line with the center of the back. So I could draw a straight line between the front heel and the center of the back foot. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is magnetize the feet toward one another, draw right knee over right ankle, and then we're gonna take the first variation, which is right forearm down onto right thigh, left arm up toward the sky. So this is variation number 1. Here, you want to think about pulling the roof of the mouth and the heart forward. Draw the top fingertips up toward the sky. So our tendency is to collapse and put all the weight on this shoulder, and then this shoulder is not very happy in the long run. So you want to almost feel like you're being pulled up and you're lifting up and out of the shoulder. So you're using the core. The low bottom ribs pull in, and imagine that the right armpit wants to run away from the right hip. So we have a nice lengthened torso. Option 2 is to take your right hand down to a block. This is just going to deepen the stretch into the hips. You want to think, once you come down here, about rolling the heart open and up toward the sky. Press into the outer edge of that back foot so that we're not kind of flipping up, and then reach up with the top fingertips as much as you can. The third variation is removing the block and placing right hand all the way on the ground. This might involve widening the stance, so this is a little bit more of an advanced version if the hips aren't really feeling like they want to go here. But if they are, really root into the feet, lift again out of the bottom shoulder, left fingertips up toward the sky, and then lean your top shoulder back like it's on a wall behind you. Gaze can be up at the fingertips. If that's too much for the neck, you can look down at your right hand. And in any one of these variations, if it feels good, you can sweep your arm forward and up over the ear. There you have it, side angle, or Utthita Parsvakonasana. I hope this pose helped you. I hope this video helped you in this pose. If you like this video, like it below, comment what you liked about it, maybe comment a little heart so I know that you're watching. If you'd like to follow me, you can subscribe to my channel right here on YouTube, or you can follow me at J-Rock Yoga on Instagram, or my website is jrockyoga.com. Thanks so much, and happy practicing.